Hello my darlings, Simone Pichon here. In this video I'm going to talk about the new moon in Cancer that happens on the 10th July 2021. So for this new moon, I organized here my altar for you. So I put like the 5 elements, like the candle representing the fire, the water, emotions, purification. I place the incense. This is the honey incense. You can place like chamomile incense, cinnamon incense, like all these lovely smells like with berries, strawberry incense is very good for this new moon. The aloe vera plant symbolizing the earth, and the crystal. This is the calcite, the yellow calcite, the orange calcite for the sacral chakra. The new moon in Cancer rains these energies of the sacral chakra, the waters of the body, the emotions, the feelings, representing God, the divine, the love of the divine in your house. And then you can place the intentions as well. You can write down the notes, your new plans, your new ideas, new goals for this month or for these energies, to give you drive so you can do the tasks, do your mission, and be infused by these fresh new energies of the Divine Mother. Cancer is the mother of the horoscope, is the divine feminine Christ. So it's a beautiful day to bring in these divine feminine energies of peace, replenishment, of harmony. It's the energies to heal the home and heal the body. The body is the temple, is the home of God, of the divine spirit. So it's a day for purification of the body. You can have like a fasting, half a day fasting, gold teas, very beautiful herbal teas, ingesting during the day. Meditation, very good as always. Yoga, do all the heart poses, Anahata Chakra yoga. It's the energy of peace as well. I've been having many problems in my house, like from neighbors making noises, people screaming. It was the football season, and lots of entities coming in and disturbing my peace. So what I've done, I placed the angels in the 4 corners of my house, so you can ask if you're having any problems, disturbances, like even family members making bringing just harmony for you. You will not be, for example, I wasn't being able to meditate, do my yoga, concentrate, so you can ask the archangels Michael in every corner, Michael, Gabriel, Uriel, Raphael, Samuel in the center, the love in the center, and God in the ceiling, in the roof of your house, making this protection, this sphere of protection, like a pentagon. So ask for protection of your house for this new moon in Cancer, protection of your family, your loved ones. It's a day to be closer to people, your friends, your mother if you can, to bring this energy of people being together, so family, so sisters, so brothers, bringing this harmony in your house. I would like to play the koshi. This is like an instrument of the elements. So we have koshi fire, water, wind, and this is koshi water, because Cancer is the water, is the emotions. So I'm gonna bring the healing for you, for your emotions, to cleanse and clear all these heavy energies from June, because we had the seasons of the eclipses, the sun, the moon eclipse, and we had Mercury retrograde. So clear all this heavy debris, anything that is not love or light in your body, in your temple, in your house, the divine house, or in your physical house as well. Healing, purifying your house, releasing anything that is not love or light, bringing the divine God, the purity of God in your house, the peace of the angels, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Samuel, and God divine. Beautiful. Healing, energizing you, giving you power, stability, abundance, love, lots of joy, happiness, new energies, new vitality coming into you, healing emotions, healing your temple, your sacred space, your sacred body. Wonderful. And also you can visualize the Merkaba. So I do lots of visualization every day, like you being inside of the Merkaba, the Star of David, the two triangles interlinked to bring you more peace. So the body is full of peace, full of light, your aura is full of light, shimmering, shining, lots of vitality and harmony. Your heart is being pure. So you're free of heart wounds, you're free of fear, you're free of disharmony. So your Merkaba can be shining, golden, beautiful. You can activate your Merkaba as well in the day, for your day to be harmonious, beautiful, the things in your life to be flowy, beautiful, easy, with grace. And also when you go to sleep, when you go to the bed, to activate your Merkaba so you don't go to low astral planes, you don't have nightmares, everything's harmonious. You can have a better sleep as well, so you can activate your Merkaba. And you can place the Merkaba inside of your house as well and see your house inundated by the light of God, by the light of this beautiful sacred geometry, full of gold, lights gold rays in your house, especially in your bedroom or the place that you used to work. It's full of love and harmony. The golden rays of God coming in, bring you harmony, peace, love, joy, stability, purification, supreme protection in your internal body and in your external body as well, and in your house, inside and outside of your house as well. So for the reading of this day, I'd like to use the Whispers of Healing. It's a very feminine card, like a very Cancerian card, to bring the divine feminine Christ energies for this day. So let's see what's the guidance, what's the information of this day. Oh, beautiful. It says kindness. Beautiful. So it's the energy of being happy with friends, family, giving things to people, offering things, the love offering. You can offer something nice, something new, something fresh, and you can be open to receive. He's giving flowers, so you can have flowers in your home. There's many birds as well. You can have like higher frequencies in your home, like 5 to 8 hertz, 432 hertz, to just raise the frequencies in your house, so you can have beautiful harmonious sounds coming in, energizing your house. Placing crystals as well, especially the Amazonite crystal, to block the electronics, overloads. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful time. So to bring more kindness for yourself, for your body, as I said, looking after the body. You can fast if you can, replenish the body. You can go for a yoga class, a Reiki session, to bring in more this divine feminine energies, the divine love, the love for the mother, beautiful love from Shekinah, the harmony, the peace, the purity for you, for your body, for your friends, your loved ones in your house, okay? I send you lots of love. Enjoy this day. It's a beautiful day for replenishing yourselves, replenish yourself. It's a day to activate your energy, to bring in more divine, beautiful energies for you, more health, well-being, and peace. Lots of love, lots of peace, many blessings. Take care. See you soon.